into the spot. There's a couple people over there, but fuck them, because we're not really going over here. It sucks. We're directly in the wind. Hopefully, in the sun. Throw an ND filter on this, but we're gonna go and fucking scale these shits. And actually, lighting is gonna be good once we get up in the fucking shade. But yeah, it's gonna be sick, dude. There we go. Now you can see. Check that out. Waterfalls. It's gonna be fucking sick. I'm gonna get set up. All right. A lot of people are stopping now. Kind of sucks, but it's all right because I'm all the way up there away from everybody, so it's no big deal. All right, let's do another. My fucking fingers. Fingies are frozen. Oh, finger cam for you guys. Here we go. Burr. Oh, hell yeah, 6 satellites. Oh, damn it. All right, here we go. Recording. Waterfall. All right, now I'm getting pretty comfortable with this spot, so I'm not so like on edge. But holy shit, I just want to get one sick. Look at that, you know. One nice sick waterfall dive. Oh yeah. All up through that shit. Damn, that's crazy. And this is about the most fun I've ever had, I think. Whoa, video is getting shit right there. For some reason my arrow isn't working, but that's fine. I don't really care about that. Man, this is like the coolest fucking spot, you guys. Look at this. I really like that little gap. Alright, let's come back over here to this crack and see. Oh yeah. Oh, that's sick. Look at that shit. Look at all that shit. Oh yeah. Alright, back to the top. Boom. Now that's the dive we were looking for. Woo! Hell yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Look how cool this shit is. Alright, this might be the pack we're looking for. I gotta see what time it is. I still gotta go to work. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Now that is how you dive. For some reason this fucking camera's all blue. I don't really like this fucking runcam pheonix. I don't really know how I feel about it, dude. It's really good at night, I'll say that, but daytime it's like, I don't know. I'll try and put the DVR in the video so you guys can see it, because it's fucking weird, but it's good, you know, at least. Not right there though. That is garbage video. You know, right there, that's good. You know, I can see all these rocks. I can see all this shit all up in here, you know. I can see all this. Oh, I haven't even been over here. This is sick, dude. Damn. A little bit of scraggle death, but that spot's sick. Man, there's all kinds of sick shit over here. This battery's getting a little low, but fuck it, we still got a little bit. Alright, now the battery's getting low. Alright, I'm coming back. Bringing it in. Oh shit, 3.4. I always gotta do like a little whip around to like slow myself down. Oh shit, 3.3. Woo, we gotta kill this battery. Oh shit. Damn, that was awesome. Thanks.
Yeah.
That's the most fun I've ever had in my life.
I was just gonna say, man, what a trip that would be, huh?
It's crazy.
How long ago did you start doing that?
In like September.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy.